Hi, I'm Nanda Balan, final year EC Department, Agni College of Technology.
Hi, myself Sadhna from final year EC department.
Our project name is HOMI, stands for Home Integration. HOMI is nothing but an application for controlling our home appliances using home automation technology. Nowadays, home automation has become a hottest topic among leading technological companies, and people are attracting towards it due to its advancement and security. The only factors that stop people from getting home automation is its cost and the compatibility issues that they are facing while installing it in their house. So we are trying to provide a solution for that using our project. We are gonna break that factors by implementing our solution. The main objective of our project is to provide a affordable as well as compatible home automation system where the user can access every appliances in their home and also can monitor their house's security levels using a single mobile application or a web server. This is our hardware device where we are going to install near the switch boxes in the home. We are using ESP8266 Node MCU, which is a low power and low cost Wi-Fi module. We were used to interact with the sensors and the relays. We are using relays for switching operations and smoke and temperature sensors for calculating the smoke level and temperature level in the home. And we build ourselves an application using Flutter for controlling these appliances through it. So here the monitoring levels are updated for every seconds through the database, and when we switch on the application, the appliances switch on immediately.
The existing systems lacks major requirement, that is high accuracy and range, whereas our systems provide high accuracy with unlimited range. There are even many systems in the market providing flawless service, but when it comes to cost and its compatibility, it's cost too much. But our system is provided at affordable cost and does not need and the compatibility is high, where we don't need to modify the home to install our system. And I'd like to thank our HOD Dr. Anita for her encouragement.
Our mentor Mr. S. Sudarshan, Assistant Professor, EC Department, for his support throughout the project. Without him, we would not able to complete our project. And we would also like to thank our college for providing excellent technical sessions about AI and machine learning, where we implemented that technologies in our final year projects. Thank you.